I'm going to show you how to create this fun bridge card that folds flat using the Horse and Sleigh bundle that you can find online on my website. It is not in any catalog, it's only online, and it has these wonderful images with dies to cut them out, along with extra images of snowdrifts, or you can make them clouds and trees and the bottom of the sleigh here. So for this bridge card, I always start off with the template, and I keep these templates so that when I want to make another one, I have it available. I'm using the scoring tool, and I'm gonna score at 1 1/4, 2 1/2, 5 1/2, and 6 3/4. So I'm just gonna fold all of the pieces. So I'm gonna fold in first and then out, and I'm going to score them with a bone folder. And then I'm going to use some of the One Horse Sleigh Designer Series paper that's also online. And I've already cut it up into pieces. So this piece is 2 3/4 by 4. And then this matching piece here is 1 by 4. And then we've got a couple other matching pieces here. Let's see if I can get them in order. All right, now that I have the scene set up, I'm going to add the bottom of the card. I have this 5 1/2 inch wide by about 2 1/2 inch tall piece of thick basic white cardstock. And I've used the 2 snowdrift dies to cut out just the top of the card. So how I did that was I placed the dies together like so. And then when I cut out the cardstock on the die cut machine, I made sure I placed the cutting plate only halfway on these dies so that they would only cut the top and that they wouldn't cut the bottom. So you can see that this is the result here. So that's kind of a fun little trick so that you can get your nice snowdrift. I love the snowdrift dies, but since this didn't have one, I just made my own. So now I'm gonna add this piece on, and I'm going to only put the adhesive on the last 2 panels. So just this one and this one. And just line everything up. And then if there is any excess on the back, you can just trim that off. And then I have stamped and die cut the horse and sleigh. And I am going to color them using some Lost Lagoon for the sleigh and some smoky slate for the clothes and some crumb cake for the horse. Cut this out of silver foil, and I'm just going to add it to the bottom of the sleigh. Now that I am done coloring my horse and sleigh, I'm just going to add some dimensionals towards the bottom of them to attach them to the card. Now I'm going to add some of these trees to the background. Lastly, I'm just gonna add some of these snowflakes that are also online, and they come in white, gold, and copper, and there's large, medium, and small. So I'm gonna put one of the large ones up here in the corner. And there is my horse and sleigh bridge card. Receive this card kit when you purchase $50 for just $5 shipping. Email me, let me know that you would like this kit, and I will ship it right out to you.